Welcome to our 5-day adventure in Malta. Over the next 5 days, we'll immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of history, culture, and awe-inspiring landscapes. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's dive into the adventure together. Ready to explore? Let's roll! On our first day, we set sail for the beautiful Gozo Island. Known for its serene landscapes and historic charm, Gozo offers a perfect escape. We decided to add a touch of convenience and excitement to our exploration with the flexibility of a hop-on, hop-off bus. This fantastic experience not only offers a panoramic view of the stunning landscapes, but also takes you straight to the most important attractions on the island. The beauty of it? You have the flexibility to decide where to disembark, allowing you to take more time to explore a particular attraction or simply snap some pictures before hopping back on the bus. Our adventure unfolds with a visit to Dingli, where the iconic azure window once stood, leaving you awe-inspired by its beauty. We then head to Tapinu, a sanctuary of serenity, followed by the vibrant streets of Victoria, the heart of Gozo. Next up, we explore the ancient marvels of the Gigantia temples, a testament to Gozo's rich history. Our day concludes at the breathtaking Ramla Bay, known for its golden sands and crystal clear waters. Each stop is a unique chapter in Gozo's story, and you will discover them all, one hop at a time. Day 2 takes us through the historical heart of Malta. First on the agenda is the ancient city of Mdina, a living embodiment of a bygone era. Known as the Silent City, Mdina's timeless charm unfolds as we traverse its narrow, winding streets surrounded by medieval architecture. The city's history dates back over 4,000 years, and as we explore its hidden corners, we can almost feel the echoes of knights and royalty who once walked these same paths. Adjacent to Mdina lies Rabat, a charming town known for its serene ambience. Here, you can explore the intricate network of catacombs, delving into the island's early Christian history. Our adventure continues to Dingli Cliffs, a natural wonder that truly takes your breath away. Standing on the edge of these majestic cliffs, we are welcomed by a breathtaking panorama of the Mediterranean Sea, a spectacle that defies description. This isn't just a sightseeing moment, it is a profound connection with the untamed splendor of Malta, etching the majesty of Dingli Cliffs in our hearts forever. Our day ends with the fascinating Mnajdra temples, a megalithic temple complex situated on the southern coast of Malta. These remarkable structures, hailed as among the most ancient religious sites on Earth, are truly unique architectural masterpieces, recognized by the World Heritage Sites Committee. Carved from hard limestone, these temples are believed to be among the oldest surviving freestanding structures globally. So, if you're in Malta, don't miss the chance to pay a visit to these living testaments of human history. Remember the spinach-loving sailor Popeye? Well, Day 3 set sail right into the heart of Popeye village, originally built for the 1980 film starring Robin Williams. What began as a film set has transformed into a 7-day-a-week open-air museum and theme park. Beyond its film set allure, the village offers daily shows, workshops, and character encounters, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the magic of Popeye's world. Each room showcases original film furniture and props, with Popeye's house authentically recreating the cartoon series. Opposite to the Popeye village, you can find the Anchor Bay viewpoint, a rocky hillside offering a splendid photo opportunity, capturing the enchanting Anchor Bay and the Popeye village set against the picturesque Mediterranean backdrop. On our way back to the hotel, we decided to stop for a bit in Mellieha, immersing ourselves in the city's atmosphere and relishing some local cuisine. A highlight was the visit to the parish church of Mellieha, offering not only stunning architecture, but also panoramic views of the sea. Perched atop a hill, the church graces Mellieha's skyline, becoming a beacon visible from all corners of the town. Valletta, the capital city, is our destination on day 4. Marvel at the grandeur of Valletta's architecture, explore its narrow streets, and visit historical sites like St. John's Co-Cathedral. This hidden gem, adorned with Caravaggio's masterpieces, promises an awe-inspiring journey within its walls, even if its exterior doesn't quite hint at the artistic treasure that lies inside. The extravagant and intricately decorated interior steals the show, turning every step into a walk through history and art. So believe us when we say, the exterior may not shout, but is the interior that will echo in your memory, making every moment within its walls absolutely worth the visit. Moving along the enchanting streets, you can't miss the Upper Baraka Gardens, one of the island's best viewpoints, treating us to an unmatched spectacle of the Grand Harbor with the 3 cities gracing the background. Just below the main terrace, you can witness the ceremonial cannon fired from the saluting battery, capturing the essence of a timeless tradition. Descending to its counterpart, the Lower Baraka Gardens, you can discover another perspective of the Grand Harbor and the saluting battery. This twin sanctuary is located right opposite the Siege Bell Memorial, and you can easily recognize it by the arches lining its harbor-facing side. Valletta, however, is a city bursting with even more treasures. Attractions like Casa Rocca Piccola, St. Paul's Cathedral, and the grandeur of Victoria Gate beckon exploration. If you're curious to uncover our full day trip tour of Valletta, check out our video from the link in the description box. On our final day, we set our compass towards the vibrant coastal towns of St. Julian's and Sliema. Wandering through the lively streets, we discover Spinola Bay, a picturesque harbor dotted with colorful fishing boats. From here, you can take a delightful stroll along the promenade, stretching from Spinola Bay to Baluta Bay. This promenade takes us to Baluta Bay Beach, a sun-soaked haven favored by locals for sunbathing and swimming. In the summer months, it transforms into a popular swimming spot, making an early arrival essential to secure a coveted spot on the sand. From the beach, the Church of Our Lady of Mount Carmel graces the skyline. Our journey seamlessly transitions to the Sliema promenade, known as the Front by the locals. Here, joggers, dog walkers, cafe hoppers, and cocktail enthusiasts converge, creating a lively tapestry of post-work and evening gatherings. And our last stop is the Point Shopping Mall, beckoned with boutiques, offering a tempting detour for fashion enthusiasts. These coastal towns offer a perfect ending to our 5-day adventure in Malta, blending the lively charm of St. Julian's with the fashionable allure of Sliema. And this is the end of our 5 incredible days exploring the wonders of Malta. From ancient history to stunning landscapes, this island has it all. Share your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!